Okay, let's talk automation. Right now, when it comes to AI, you've got a pretty big choice to make.
On one hand, you have your standard workflow automation. Super predictable, but yeah, pretty rigid. And on the other hand, autonomous AI agents. They're smart and flexible, but can be totally unpredictable.
But what if you didn't have to choose? That's exactly where n8n-claw comes into the picture.
It's a self-hosted AI agent that basically gives an AI brain a structured visual body to work with.
The whole goal here was a system that's powerful and accessible, one designed to teach itself new tricks.
So how does it pull this off? Well, it all starts with its brain, a really smart memory system.
It's got 3 layers of memory, going from what's happening now to permanent, searchable knowledge.
And that's all powered by a RAG pipeline that runs every night to sort through and consolidate information.
The cool part? You get to choose how this memory works, from cloud services to totally private local options.
So what this all means is the agent actually learns, remembering what you like and what you've talked about.
But here's where it gets really interesting. This agent doesn't just sit around waiting for you. It's proactive.
It has this thing called a heartbeat that checks in every 15 minutes on your tasks and deadlines.
So you can get morning briefings, smart reminders, or even have it run tasks at a specific time.
And this all leads to its most powerful feature. The whole system is designed to grow and learn.
You can add new skills, think API integrations, just by asking for them in a chat.
So you could add skills for recipes or movies instantly with zero coding. It's that simple.
And for the really tough jobs, it can hand off tasks to a team of specialized expert agents.
These experts handle things like research or content creation, and then report their findings back to the main agent.
But okay, this is the wildest part. It can actually build its own tools completely from scratch.
The MCP Builder finds API docs, writes the code, and deploys a new workflow, basically teaching itself.
So what's the big payoff here? You're literally getting the best of both of those automation worlds.
You get all the control of a workflow tool with the smarts and autonomy of a real AI agent.
So you keep your data private on your own server, with a system that learns, acts, and grows with you.
And it really makes you wonder, is this what the future of personal AI is actually going to look like?